If you've been following this channel for the Atlanta real estate content, welcome back. If you're brand new here, thanks for stopping by. Your timing is impeccable because there are huge things going on right now. My name is Anthony Laborde. I'm an engineer turned entrepreneur, and that background never really leaves you. You're trained to solve problems. You're always watching patterns, systems, watching where things are moving. And what I saw over the last number of years in real estate, the technology coming in, the consolidations of these huge corporations, BlackRock and Compass and Zillow, the recent MLS lawsuits, and then most recently, Real Brokerage, the company that I came from, acquiring RE/MAX. These are massive shifts in the market and how things are done. It told me it was time to build something new, that was not a sustainable business model, so that's what I did. And that's when I started Axxiom AI. Axxiom is an AI automation company built specifically for small and medium-sized service businesses. These are electricians, roofers, contractors, plumbers, chiropractors, dentists, med spas, the businesses that actually run this country. This channel used to be about living in Atlanta, and honestly, I still love this city. I'm not going anywhere. I still have my license. I'm still taking care of past clients and referrals, and if you find me and you want to buy a house or sell it, great, and I can help you out, but this channel is evolving because what I'm building now is much bigger than real estate. Every week, I'm going to be dropping real content, no fluff, no hype, on exactly how AI and automation are changing the game for service businesses. Real systems, real results, plain English. Whether you're a contractor trying to grow your business, an entrepreneur curious about AI, or someone who's been following me for years and just wants to see what's next, you're absolutely in the right place. So please do me a favor, hit subscribe, come along for the build, and if you want to see what AI can do for your specific business, there's a link below to book a free strategy call with me, a free AI audit of your company to see where we can fill the gaps, streamline your processes, cut costs, increase revenue. My name is Anthony Laborde. This is Axxiom AI. Let's go.